So this is my first trip away since the whole pandemic-y type thing, and I booked a last minute thing to Lisbon. Now, well, I didn't know this at the time when I booked it, but we're flying during a storm called Franklin today, and that's gonna be super fun, I'm sure. I can already hear it kicking up out there. We've got everything packed, clothes in that one and tech in that one, and we should be all good. I don't know what to do with the toiletries because you're not allowed to take liquids anymore, but we'll have to figure out. There we go, dropped off by mum and dad. I'm just wearing my mask. And now let's go find a plane. So yeah, all is going well. I'm through security, through everything. And now I'm just waiting for my gate to be called. And that's in like 2 hours. So see you on the plane. I actually haven't done any research on this trip. I don't know what's in Lisbon or anything like that. I just know that I'm going. And, you know, we'll make the rest up when we get there. So I just picked up these little miniature things and they are so cute. Like, it's ridiculous. It's cheered me up to no end. I didn't bring my own kit, didn't know what I needed, so yeah, I had to pay the price, but it looks really cute. Just board the plane now. Here we go, Lisbon, here we come. I'm in, I'm down, and I used my Irish passport to skip the queue because there's a massive one for non-EU people. So that was fun, and it worked. So yeah, officially European. Now I've got to find the metro and get down there. I think it's that. Now I just have to work out and remember where I'm going. I think I know where I'm going, but you never know. Yeah, wow. Absolutely beautiful. All of it. Maybe not the building block, but it's definitely worth getting up this morning. What a Monday. This is the hotel room, and look, it's amazing, this hostel. Like, look at this, look at all this gorgeous space. Look at the gorgeous decoration and everything. Hold on. Look at the gorgeous decoration and everything, look at that. It looks like I'm in an IKEA catalogue. Yeah, I mean, perfect, absolutely beautiful. And for like 60 quid a night, yeah, done. Bathroom. Oh, look at my minis. The minis are all good. Yeah, we are set and done. Let's have a look at the view, come on. How in the world did I get here?